Good morning, students. Let us today start with lecture 18 of NFTL, that is analysis of asymmetrical L-type attenuator. Asymmetrical L-type attenuator circuit is shown in the figure. As shown in the figure, resistance R1 is the series resistance. Resistance R2 is shunt resistor. At the input port, Vs is the voltage source with internal resistance Ro. Also, on the output port CD, a characteristic impedance Ro is connected. So, loop 1 is ABEF, loop 2 is ECDF, loop 2 is ECDF. Now, let us apply Kirchhoff's voltage law in loop CDEF, that is loop 2. So, applying Kirchhoff's voltage law KVL in loop 2. What do we get? IL RO minus IS minus IL R2 is equal to 0, or IL RO minus IS R2 plus IL R2 is equal to 0. So, this is IL RO plus IL R2 is equal to IS R2. So, IL is common. RO plus R2 is equal to IS R2. So, IS upon IL is equal to RO plus R2 divided by R2, where IS upon IL is equal to N. So, N is equal to RO plus R2 divided by R2. So, cross multiplying, we get N R2 is equal to RO plus R2. So, taking R2 to the other side, N minus 1 into R2 is equal to RO. Therefore, R2 is equal to RO divided by N minus 1. So, that is the first result. Okay. Now, applying Kirchhoff's law to loop ABCD. Applying Kirchhoff's law to loop ABCD, we get Vs is equal to Is R1 plus IL RO, whereas IS R1 is equal to ISRO is equal to ISR1 plus ILRO, because Vs is equal to ISRO. Therefore, ISRO minus R1 is equal to ILRO. Taking this to the other side. Now, IS upon IL is equal to RO upon RO plus R1. So, this is equal to N. Because IS upon IL is equal to N. Now, N is equal to RO upon RO plus R1. So, N RO plus R1 is equal to RO, whereas N RO minus RO is equal to minus of R1. So this is equal to, just multiplying by minus 1, we get RO into 1 minus RO into N minus 1 is equal to N R1. N R1. So this is N R1. Now here we get R1 is equal to RO into N minus 1 divided by N. So that is the value of R1 is equal to RO N minus 1 divided by N. Now further, let the terminal AB is open circuited. Let the terminal AB is open circuited. That is, the input port is open, like this. The input port is open. Then we get RO is equal to R1 plus R2 into RO upon R2 into R2 plus RO. Now this is equal to RO is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R1 RO plus R2 RO divided by R2 plus RO. Now this is solving this equation, cross multiplying, we get RO into R2 plus RO equal to R1 plus R2 plus R1 RO plus R2 RO. Now opening the brackets, we get RO R2 plus RO square is equal to R1 R2 R1 R2 plus R1 RO plus R2 RO. This is multiplied. So we get this is R1 R2 R1 R2 R1 R2 R1 RO plus R2 RO. So here on this side RO R2 plus RO square. Now solving this equation we get RO square plus RO R2 minus R1 R2 minus R1 RO is equal to R2 RO so RO square plus RO square minus RO R1 minus R1 R2 is equal to 0. So this is equal to RO is equal to, this is a quadratic equation in RO. So therefore RO is equal to R1 plus minus under root of R1 square plus 4 into 1 into RO R2 divided by 2 into 1. So RO is equal to R1 plus minus under root of R1 square plus 4 R2 divided by 2. Therefore RO is equal to R1 by 2 plus R1 square by 2 by 4 plus R2. Now neglecting the negative value, therefore this is the value of the characteristic impedance of the network. So that was the analysis of L-type attenuator. L-type attenuator, that is this one. So thank you so much for attending my lecture. Keep sharing it with your friends.